In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage online payments through QuickBooks Online. This is going to streamline your invoicing process and make it easier for your customers to pay you. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's get into QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser, with Chrome being highly recommended for compatibility reasons. Navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to enable online payments. To do this, click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear located in the upper right corner of your screen. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll find Account and Settings. Click on that and then navigate to the Payments tab. Here, you'll see the option to either learn more about the online payment feature or to set it up if you haven't done so previously. The setup process will walk you through connecting your QuickBooks Payments account or creating one if needed. Once you're connected, you can select which payment methods you'd like to accept. Typically, options like credit cards and ACH bank transfers are available. Remember to save your settings before moving on. Now that your payment settings are all set up, it's time to create an invoice. From the left-hand menu, click on Sales, then select Invoices. Once you're in the invoice section, click on New Invoice. Fill out all the necessary fields, including the customer's details, the invoice date, and the products or services that have been provided. Also, be sure to specify the payment terms, such as the due date, so your customer knows when the payment is expected. Before you send out the invoice, make sure to enable the payment options on it. Look for an area labeled Online Payments on the invoice screen and make sure that the payment options you want to offer are checked. This feature is instrumental because it allows your customer to pay directly from the invoice itself, which makes the whole process much smoother. Now it's time to send the invoice to your customer. After verifying all the details, click on Save and Send. You'll be prompted to enter the customer's email address, and you can also add a personal message if you wish. Once sent, the invoice will be emailed to your customer along with a Pay Now button for easy payment processing. As your customer receives the invoice and clicks on Pay Now, they'll be able to choose their payment method and complete the transaction securely. You'll receive a notification when a payment is made, and the best part is that these payments are automatically recorded and matched in QuickBooks, which is a huge time saver for you. Finally, tracking your payments is straightforward. Go back to the Sales menu and click on Invoices to see the status of each invoice, whether it's paid, partially paid, or overdue. You can also click on Payments to view all payments received, helping you keep track of your cash flow effortlessly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up and managing online payments in QuickBooks Online. Remember, a smooth invoicing process not only makes your life easier, but also enhances your customer's experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.